Welcome to mantechhd. In this video, we are showing you the all-new 2022 Hongqi E-HS9 car production. The Hongqi E-HS9, or as the Western media calls it, the Chinese Rolls Royce Cullinan, will be delivered to customers in Norway this year. Let's check about its interior and exterior, reviews, features and specifications as well as price. So, stay tuned and enjoy the video. The introduction of the E-HS9 in the European market is regarded as the first and critical step for Hongqi to establish the brand in the old continent. Hongqi's strategy is to start with northwestern Europe with its E-HS9 and familiarize European buyers with the Hongqi brand. It follows a top-down approach and plans to launch small and medium-size SUV and sedan models. The Hongqi E-HS9 has a sleek exterior and a far more futuristic interior than any Rolls-Royce car. However, there's no denying that its statesman-like styling has hints of the British model. The E-HS9 is generating interest even in other markets. On September 29, 2020, FAW had said that it had received 1,437 orders, of which 650 units have been ordered from abroad. The Hongqi E-HS9 features the 12-bar vertical grille that lights up in AU formation with the red flag icon at the center. The grille is flanked by two vertical fangs to emphasize the 3D effect, and the headlamps could be the largest for a production vehicle. The shoulder line runs from the upper lamps across to the side to the rear combination lights to provide a commanding look. The Hongqi E-HS9 starting price is around $80,000. If you get some information from our video, so please like, comment and subscribe our channel for watching more videos of mantechhd. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for watching more videos of mantechhd.